Welcome, hunters. So, what's going on? It's Thursday. We got one stock jumping yesterday and today. Nvidia, we got huge earnings. We're gonna watch if we're gonna have a continuation. We got XYF jumping 30%. This one 43. This one 50. So we're gonna have a really fun day today. Who's ready to catch another unicorn? Wow, so we got ATVK pumping in pre-market 73%. Interesting. 73%. ATVK. Whoa, we have a squeeze. Oh man, this one is going. Look at this. So ATVK finally jumped from our squeeze zone. This one is a unicorn, guys. This one of the unicorn. I'm gonna show you. This one have a huge pump 2 years ago. So I'm watching this one for another pump. Look at this. I think 2020, 3 years ago or 2 years ago, we pumped almost 9,000%. So watch out. We might have another pump toward the $1 this time. This one of the unicorn, it was one of the dying unicorn. It died almost 2 years ago, 2020 in June. So from 2020 and 2023 in June, this is almost 2 years of sleeping. So we have a sleeping here, almost 2 years from 2019 until 2020, 1 year or almost 2 years. And the price then jumped almost 10,000%. Then this buying pressure died and the price entered hibernation mode. It's like sleeping. And now the price is pumping from a really critical area, guys. This is really crazy. The 22, I think, or the 20 cent. No, not the 20 cent, but the 2 cent. So we have a squeeze and pump almost 73%. Next target for ATVK, let me just check. We might have a test for the 4 cent. Yeah, the 4 cent we might have a test for. So this should be the next profit taken to aim for. After that we got the 7 cent and the 13 and the 20. So yeah, now we have to shoot for the 4 cent. Wow, 4 cents should be an interesting level to hit. Let me just check how much we should do from this breakout. Another 100%. Yeah, it's doable. Now 73%. We're missing another 75%. So it's doable. Really doable for this crazy stock. Let me just adjust again. Maybe here. Yeah. Around the 47. Yeah, 47. Then we got a huge resistance around the 7. Yeah, this one might be a unicorn, guys. This one might be a unicorn, but this one will take time all summer. This one might take a bit of time to go to all-time high and maybe the $1. So yeah, ATVK looking interesting. I will put it down below with the other stock that we might hunt for today. What a great day to be alive. How everybody doing? Martin Obolo asking about the BMR. Xander. Told you, Mr. Githam, he said, I told you guys. We'll see. Let me just check QBTS. Not good, brother. Not good. So just 20% and still bumping from the bottom. So I don't suggest to buy. Still, I don't like the chart, brother. I don't like the chart. It's kind of tricky to trade this one while we are below the $1.86. Yeah, not good. Nvidia looking crazy good, guys. Look at this. Look at this beautiful chart. I think this is the first time that we have 30% jump for Nvidia. That's the like button and the way in, everybody. BMR. Let's check BMR. This one might be a unicorn. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. We hit kind of a new high from the IPO price. So looking promising. But it's really tricky to trade this one. It's really tricky. We might have the $10, but we have to clear this resistance and hold over the support. But again, I will not like trade this one because it's really risky and it's a new IPO. If you want to trade it, just watch out for holding over the 4 and we'll see a continuation toward the 10. Otherwise, we're gonna have a dying for this spine pressure if we break the 4. Roger Fancy, welcome, brother. SFR have a good news, some of you say. Let me just check if we got something. Yesterday 14% down. Yes, we got great news, but there's no action, guys. There's no action. So the technical is the thing that we have to watch out for, not the news. Because usually when the news out is over, already over. See what's happened to Nvidia. When the news out, we already jumped 30% yesterday. So for this one, SFR, I will check the 57. Otherwise, I will not be interested. Good morning, Kingston. Patience, everybody, patience. This summer will be a really great summer, guys. This summer, I can feel it. It will be a great summer, guys, for everybody. Wherever you are, even if you take your vacation, just take your laptop with you and hunt with us in the beach near the sea. Press the like button and the way in, guys. Don't forget, press the like button and the way in. We watching mini stocks. Let me just go on my watch list. Okay, ATVK number 1 with KBNT. Let me just check this one. I don't like the chart. I don't like the chart one bit. I don't like the charts. Yeah, still, we might have a breakout for this one. I'm watching. If we broke this flag, we might have action. For KBNT, we might have a 50% jump. We got some resistance coming up. We'll see if we hit those resistance. We might have a good action for this stock. Yes, sir. This is great. This is really great. So I will put K, B, and T on the hunt side. We got second ATVK jumping 73%. Look at this huge bump. We already discussed it before. We said this stock is preparing for something once we break the 2 cents, and we broke it. Now it's around the 22 cents in pre-market. We might have a huge pump around the 4 cents, another 70%, as long as we hold over the 1 cent. So the 1 cent is our bottom support for this stock. And let me just check. Okay, KB and T. Then we got SAKL. What else we got here? Okay. This one is dying. There's no volume. The other one, CYXT, is pumping, but I don't like this reaction. We have a huge pullback. So this one is heavily shorted. So I'm not interested in buying this one. Look at this. Look at this chart, man. Huge sell-off and many bad earnings. So I don't suggest to trade this one. Not good, brother. Not good. What else we got here? Maybe we check WTT again. Just one glance at the chart and no thank you. This one, no thank you. That one, no thank you. This one, again, not good. You see, guys, once you get accustomed to trading, you just have one glance and you don't have to bother to even trade it or even look at it, you know. So this one maybe, yeah, this one maybe would be a good trade. Yeah, this one maybe, not bad, really not bad. I will check this one. I will keep it. SOUN. I will keep it just in case if we don't have something to trade, but I doubt that because we got so many stocks to watch. One of them is Nvidia, man. Nvidia, what a great hunt for us yesterday. 30% from yesterday earnings. We got a great earnings. We already did chart analysis update here and swing trade on Discord before the market closed yesterday. Before the market closed by 6 minutes, we bought this chart analysis update. For hunt for Nvidia, we said the support is around the 290, profit taken around the 337, but the after hours went over this profit taken. And after that, even we put it here on our Patreon, and we said that Nvidia actually is about to pump as long as we break the 306. Yeah, we said the 306 should be our breakout zone. What a great hunt, guys. So now we entered for Nvidia. The trade is still open for Nvidia. The average price we entered at is around the 304. Current price is almost around the 400. And the pre-market now is almost 30% up. Great hunt for Nvidia. Patience, guys, patience. So we prepare to take profit when the market open on this one because we anticipate a huge pullback for Nvidia. It always happen. We might have a bit of continuation toward the 400. Then we're gonna go down because now we have a test around the 399.50. Guess what? 399.50 cents. Just below the 400. So this is psychological level now, guys. 400, we have to have a reversal and go back a bit. So I'm gonna sell, then enter one again. So I'm gonna secure my profit, of course. Good morning, Coding Face. Good morning, brother. Yeah, we're gonna have a huge day. Yeah, I think is AI, everything is pumping because if AI, whoa, we have adjusted price target for Nvidia. Look, 420 from 350. We have adjusted price target for Nvidia over the 400, man. That's why we have a huge jump. Whoa, and again, we have adjusted price target for Nvidia toward the 500 from 190 to 500 now. So we have a price target from many analysts for Nvidia over the 400, guys. After the great earnings, see the earnings, we never have this kind of earnings. 18%, man, and 10% suppress on the revenue. We never had this for years for Nvidia, and we never had this jump before, almost 30%. We never had it. It's been a while. Last time, like when we had the good earnings, we jumped like 20% at least, like or top, or 25. It's not 30%. This is crazy jump. Code and Face, you have YouTube channel? I didn't know that. Yeah, I see that you have a coding channel. Great, man. Great. Happy to see one of our YouTubers here. Mr. Levitz, I'll take profit, of course. Of course, I'm gonna take profit because many people just locked profit here. Look at this. We have a great idea. Hopefully the short seller didn't watch our live streaming. See with me, when I'm pre-market open, we have this gap. You see what's happened here? We have a huge gap here. So this is the pre-market action. After that, a huge whale bought. So this is a huge whale buying and prevent the price to go down. Usually, if we don't have a whale, we have a short attack on our live streaming. It was perfect timing, actually. What a perfect timing for the short attack to come to cut our live streaming, because we were talking about Nvidia, the important level for Nvidia, and then the price actually, or the live streaming, were cut off. Okay, we are back, everybody. We are back. The market is about to open. Okay, let me just check. BMR 100 and 51%. Okay, so this one looking as well pretty interesting. I will watch this one and the open as well. Yes. This one looking good, guys. Yeah, this one looking good, but we have to be really extremely careful. As long as we hold this level will be good for entry around the $4.90. Breakout is around the $6.30. Yes, we are back. John Friedman. Yes, for BMR, watch out, guys. Because if we got rejected here, game over. we're gonna have a flush. I don't like this because this is the all-time high. If the market open and we don't break here, I don't suggest anybody to hold because we're gonna have a huge pullback. Huge pullback for this one. And we might have a retest back down. Yes, we might have a huge pullback here, and yeah, around the $2.90 at least, and the $3.95. So we have two support. So watch out, we might have a huge pullback around those two levels, the $3.95 and the $2.90. If we don't hold the $4.90. So this is the most important level to hold when the market open for BMR. Let me just check how much you're willing to risk for this one if you entered now. Wow, yeah, 17%. And the gain is unlimited. The gain is unlimited. We might go to the $10. So yeah, this one looking good. KBNT is still not ready to pump from this flag. Nvidia, oh, Nvidia is pulling back, guys. Nvidia is pulling back. Nvidia is pulling back. Nvidia is pulling back. So we have Nvidia around, let me just check. Yes, around the 27. Okay, we got 1 minute left. Let me just check the, wait a second, let me just check the things around this level. Okay, we got just 1 minute. Remember, guys, remember one thing. We have almost 73 people watching and just 37. We need to flip this number, okay? We need to flip this number from 37 to 73 before the market open. We got 1 minute. We got 1 minute left. Let's go. We got 1 minute left. Just give love and share love and show your love, guys. Let's go. Nvidia is pumping or going down. So Nvidia is up. Let me just take profit here for Nvidia. Let's close a bit of profit here because we might have a huge pullback. We're already 26% on this trade and Nvidia is pulling back, so I'm gonna take profit here, 26%. As we said, we already entered yesterday, so I'm gonna lock my profit here before we're gonna have a huge pullback for Nvidia. Okay, 26, this is not bad. Let me just check again the chart. Yeah, it's pulling back hard. Let me just lock my profit. Boom, boom. Yes, now we exited from Nvidia. Market order, we have two market order. What's going on here? Okay, let me just close this one. We have a bit of, okay, we close it. We have just 2,000 left on Nvidia. I'm gonna keep it. You see what's happened here? 400, we have a huge pullback for Nvidia. That's why we suggest take your profit on the open. This is what's gonna happen. And now we're gonna have a continuation for this selling pressure. Watch out for a buying opportunity for Nvidia because we're gonna have a huge reversal here and there. I'm watching Nvidia for a buyback. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna do buy limit order for Nvidia around the 359. Let me just put 10,000 there around the $3.359 and another one around let's go shopping, guys, 337 if we really pulled back. Okay, let's go shopping for Nvidia 300. Yeah, it's now it's pumping from the first support 337. Now it's pulling back. Let's see if we held over the 376, guys, would be good. Would be really good for Nvidia. Let me just check. Yeah, we have 1% pump from here. KBT is not nice. This one is pumping. BMR. Okay. Breathe. BMR. It's pumping. Yeah, this one is pumping. Let's see. This one is pumping from the squeeze area, the $6.30. So we might have a continuation for this one because we broke from our resistance. Okay. VNR. Yes, this one might go to Valhalla. We might go to Valhalla for this one. If we held over the $6.30 would be good. Nvidia continue to go down, guys. Nvidia is good. We might have a nice hunt for Nvidia. I'm gonna hunt, as we said, for Nvidia around the 359 and the 337 should be a good reversal zone. As we said, the 400 is the limit. The 400 is the limit, psychological level. Well, they buy without watching the technical. That's why they bought here. Traders, they bought just technically. So they don't care about the price target, okay? We're talking about today. We don't talk about tomorrow. Key BNT testing a breakout zone. We might have a break. BMR is still squeezing. BMR is still squeezing. This one, not good. Game over. IFBD, not good. So this one is tricky as well. I'm gonna take it from the list. NA. Maybe later. ATVK pulling back, I think. No, pre-market still not open yet because delayed. SOUN, not today. Okay, let me just check if we have something here. And let me just check Tesla. Okay, Tesla. AMD is pulling back a bit. We might have great action today, guys. Nvidia is pulling back hard. Palantir as well pulling back. Whoa. We got this one. So I'm watching for a new trade on Nvidia because we might have a pullback now. I will watch. This is really important support. You see what's happening here? We have a bit of hold up. I will put BMD and BMR. Guys, okay, this one is pumping. We already entered around the $6.70. We're already up 10%. I'm going to take profit for this one now. 10% is good because here is risk. Here is risky place, guys. Wait a second. It's now 8%. Yeah. I'm going to take profit before we're going to have a flush. Yeah, it's pulling back hard. It's pulling back. That's why we said take profit. Nvidia is going back down. Watch out, guys. Nvidia, I'm ready to hunt here around the 359 and 337. This is a great hunt for Nvidia. Let's go. I needed to go back toward the 360 at least to enter. BMR, it's pulling back. Watch out, guys. It's pulling back. We already have the $7.40. If we held over the $6.30, we're gonna have a reversal and continuation up. If we break the $6.30 is not good. What's gonna be for BMR? Are we gonna have a new high toward the 8 or we give up? Because this is it now. We need to break the $6.50 to have a new high and another squeeze. Otherwise, a sell-off. Watch out. This is it. We need to hold here over the $6.30. This is it. What's gonna be? BMR. What's gonna be? We need to hold. As long as we hold the $6.30, we are good to go toward the 8. Nvidia, okay, it's pulling back. Great. Come on, go to our hunting place. Go to Baba. Go to Baba. The short seller just broke our live streaming because we're talking about Nvidia. And that's why the live streamings got cut off. But we are back here. Yes, come on. BMR, BMR, BMR. Come on. BMR now is 9% on this trade. Let me just check. Now, guys, now or never. If we broke, we're going to have another pump. If we broke right now around the $7.50, we have another pump toward the 8. Okay, we have a huge buying pressure right now for Nvidia. I'm still waiting. Patience is a key. We have just 2 stocks to watch. All the other stock is not in our small position on Nvidia. The rest we close it. Whoa, now is reversing. Nvidia is reversing. I will see this reaction. Now we're gonna have a test now for this resistance. If we got rejected, this means continuation down. I'm not entering now. I'm not entering. BMR, BMR, BMR. Brother, come on. We need another kick. Now, we need a kick. Otherwise, a flush. Otherwise, a flush. It's kind of tricky now. BMR tricky. We already took a profit on this trade, so it's okay. As we said, the $6.30 should be our warning sign if we broke from it. So we're still holding it, so it's good. Nvidia started to pump from the bottom, but I'm not convinced yet. We might get rejected now. So I'm watching now for the 376 here. If we get rejected, we're gonna continue for a pullback down. Yeah, the 359, man. I need the test here. Would be a good entry. Yeah, KBNT, not good. No, not good at all. Not good, brother. Not good. In ATVK is still delayed. Yeah, guys, we don't have any trade beside BMR and Nvidia. The rest is not good. The rest is history. Yeah, the rest is history. Okay, Nvidia is reversing, man. How much we did from this huge dump down? Wow, 8%. Okay, so we still have a small position, as we said, for Nvidia. We're still waiting for another pullback down toward the 359 for another entry. We already did almost 3% now from this selling pressure. BMR is still not convinced yet. Yeah, crazy pump for this one. We did almost 15%, but now it's still accumulating. We might have another 15% if we hold over the $6.30. How everybody doing? GSIT equals squeeze, maybe. We'll check it. Plus the like button on the way in, guys. Don't forget. Come on. Let's hit the 80. Let's hit the 80 likes. GSIT is here on our list. BBYQ is still pumping, but is delayed. GSIT, where's GSIT? Okay, BMR, we might have a flush now. We had a try to break, but someone added a huge position now. Not good, not good for BMR, watch out. Not good. We have a bit of try to break here. Someone added. There's a huge fight on this candle. If we broke this level, would be kind of tricky. Okay, Nvidia, KBNT. Let's check GSIT. Yeah, pumping 21%, but guys, it's still I don't like the chart here. We're still below the $7, so I don't suggest to enter until we break the $7.15. So I'll keep it here on the list. Yeah, we might have action for it later. Okay, Nvidia, let me just take this level. We're still watching for Nvidia for another pullback toward this AMA. This will be a great pullback here. We'll see if we're gonna have a pullback. This was the profit taken before. We'll turn to support, and I will take this off. So Nvidia, still watching Nvidia for another pullback. ATVK is pulling back hard. ATVK is pulling back. Nvidia is pulling back. Yeah, now it's pullback time. We got mini stocks is pulling back. Okay, we might have got something here for Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft is about to do something, and Google as well. Both of them 3% up. Not bad at all, really. Really, we got great summer here. Great summer for many stocks. Okay, finally Nvidia has decided to go back once again. Yeah, we need another pullback as we said for Nvidia. I'm still waiting. BMR still holding. KBNT still pulling back. You see, we didn't have a breakout from this flag, so I'm watching closely what's gonna happen. NA, let me just take this off. And about this is about to break actually now. Is about to break a current level of resistance. Boom. We might have a break now for NA. GSIT is still pumping. I would see if we're still holding. So I'll put NA and GSIT here because both of them looking good. NA is about to break. Okay, let me just open a small position for NA because looking promising. Yeah, it's looking promising. Let me just open a small position there. Let's see if we're still holding this level. Okay, don't tell me that we're gonna have a pullback now. Nvidia still pulling back. BMR still holding. Nice. Nvidia and A still kind of struggling to break. Okay, not bad. BMR is still holding. We might have a break now. Yeah, BMR is kind of a breaking with NA. Let me just check. Yes, BMR, we might have another pump, guys. Watch out. Yeah, PMR is pumping. Yes, BMR is pumping, guys. Finally, $8. Yes, we might have another kick now. $8. Finally, we took the $8 profit taken for this trade. Finally, we tested the $8. Huge seller around the $8. Huge seller around the $8. Okay, NA looking good, guys. NA. Let me just put profit taken here just in case. Around the $2.85. First profit taken. BMR, man, around the 8s. What's going on? We have a huge seller around this level again. $7.47. We got huge seller. NA is pumping. NA is pumping, guys. NA toward the $2.85. BMR is, I think, is game over now. Okay, let's close this position before we're gonna have a huge selling pressure. Okay, BMR, we close this position and watching now NA. Let's go. 4% now on this trade. Now 6%. Great. NA. Oh, took our profit taken. First one hit. Perfect. NA 8% on this trade. Let's close our position before we're gonna have pullback. Boom. Yeah, we have a huge pullback. You see what's happened? First profit taken hit. That's the reason. NA, first profit taken hit. BMR, we exited from this trade. As we said, is not good. Look, we have a huge seller here and price went down now. If we broke the $6.30, game over, at least for now, to pull back until the $4.90. So it's not good. It's not good. That's why we exited from this trade and we entered on this trade. NA. Great. NA is pumping. Still holding a bit. Now 8%. We'll wait for a bit, 10% to take profit and exit from this trade. $2.87. Come on. We need $3.27 next time. 97%. Let's go. NA. Okay, it's pumping. NA is pumping. Okay, 10%. Perfect. 10%, as we said, to take profit and exit from this trade. Let's take profit. Boom. Let's close. Boom, we exited. Crazy good. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Let's exit from this trade before pullback. Yes, we have first pullback for this one. BMR still holding. Crazy. This is crazy. Okay, nice. $6.30 still holding. But I don't trust it anymore after this huge wick. I don't trust it. We might have a pullback now. If we broke the $6.30, we're gonna have a huge pullback. Watch out. Let me just go to Nvidia. Nvidia is still holding. It's still holding. NA pulling back. That's why we exited from this trade. We said the first profit taken is around the $2.85. We took almost 10% profit on this one. Yeah, 10% on this one. And this one we close it with 4% because we saw a bit sign of weakness. So I don't want to risk. And we were over leveraged, you know. And yeah, as we said, we don't have to open more than one trade, but Nvidia it was swing trade, so it's not count. And we got NA and BMR, so that's why I closed BMR, because I got another trade which is NA that gave us 10% quickly. So we entered here. Let me just show you guys. We entered here exactly around the $2.50 and we took profit there. And now the price got rejected. You see what's happened? Huge pullback. So this is good. And BMR, we entered around this level and we ride it here. We took a bit of profit. We held a bit. Then we waited for this pump. And I was wishing for the price to go toward the $10, but we didn't. We have a wick here. We exited with 3% because we saw a bit of weakness. We don't want to hold the trade. And now testing the support around $6.32. So if we don't hold this level, I think will be not game over, but a huge pullback is awaiting. A huge pullback. Yeah, 25% at least. So watch out. We might have a huge pullback because we have the first sign of weakness around our resistance. Nvidia, man, I don't want it to go up. I will feel FOMO. I wanted to pull back for my entry, for my trap. I have a trap for Nvidia. I have two traps for Nvidia. NA is still pumping. Oh man, NA is still pumping. But I'm not getting in because we already exited. I don't want to get in once again. So NA is still pumping toward the second profit taken for us around the $3.27. $3.27 should be the second profit taken. How everybody doing? Monster videos. Once you think, should I get in, should I get out, the trade will be already gone. The most important thing in trading is confidence, you know. And remember that our live streaming is a bit delayed, like almost 10 seconds. So if we enter the trade, will be a bit of lagging. So remember, just don't follow us blindly, and that trading is risky, and always do your due diligence, okay? Really important. You are welcome, brother. Voyage Financiera, it's really hard to read the chat when I trade, you know. When I'm hyper focused on the trade, and the trade is kind of need my attention, I can't distract myself, because if I go to the chat section, I will lose my focus and I lose really good entry. So sorry for the beginning of our live streaming. I can't read the chat regularly because I'm watching the trade. And the trade that we traded today, we traded three stocks, Nvidia and BMR and NA. So all of them were like high volatile. So it's really hard for me to watch the live chat. After we finish the trading, I could actually check your question here, guys. Oh man, NA still have a struggle to break our first resistance, the $2.85. BMR is about to break, guys, is about to break the $6.32. Finally broke. Yes, watch out. Huge selling pressure will open now. Watch out. This is the first signal for weakness. Here we got first signal for weakness. Now the price will drive down. Big selling pressure will happen. I don't suggest to enter. It's really risky. Anyway, it's a kind of game over now. Yeah, it's game over. Game over. Come to Baba. Yeah, go down. That's why we exited from this trade, guys. Sign of weakness. Exit. Run. Run with your money. Yeah, BMR, we're gonna have a huge sell-off. We broke the support. Not good. NA is breaking. NA is breaking. Okay, looking good. NA looking good now. NA looking healthy and hungry to do more. Let's see if we are hungry enough to break some levels and make the short sellers cover. Yeah. Is about to pump once again. NA toward the $3.27. Yeah, another 9%. Let's see another pump. BMR, huge pullback, as we said. Huge pullback now. Watch out. Sell off. This is the support that we should hold. First support. Nvidia start to reverse. ENA is about to pump once more. It's tricky here. Let's see. Okay, I think game over for this one. Still waiting for a pullback for Nvidia. We don't have any pullback yet. Where's the pullback, man? Where's the pullback? You must be wondering, where's the pullback? Okay, let's see. Now, maybe we're gonna have a pullback here. Yes, this is the pullback time, man. This is the pullback time. This is the pullback time. We need a pullback now before this AMA. Around the 384. This would be a great pullback. Yes. Because this is a huge selling pressure. We need a continuation for this huge selling pressure. Toward the 359 would be good. If we broke and go to 400, this would be tricky trade. Anyway, even if the price go up, we already have some position open, so we don't have to feel FOMO. Okay, come on, Nvidia, we need the pullback now. Guys, plus the like button on the way in, don't forget. Wow, Nvidia on the top gainer for today is the number 4. This is crazy, or number 5 on the top list. Never happened since many years. BMR is pulling back, NA pulling back, TIC, WTT, this one, Nvidia is pulling back, MOD. Yeah, we got many stocks. Palantir doing alright, 4% for today. Not bad at all. AMD 9%. What a crazy jump for AMD. Let me just check if we could hold here. Would be great. Tesla on the downside. Tesla, we got some resistance. TSM. Google, we got CCL. Yes, finally, Nvidia start to reverse. Okay, some of you ask about WLDS is going nuts, 180. Aha, whoa, yes, we already did chart analysis update for it, man. Yes, it hit our first profit taken, man. This one is really good. And yeah, Foger Fansikh asked about it. Let me just check if we, I don't know if we did chart analysis update for it, WLDS, because we have this chart analysis update for it. So we broke the 1, we go toward the $1.23 and $1.78. Yeah, we already discussed it on our Patreon, I think. We already discussed it. Watch list. Nope, it's not here. So we already did chart analysis update, but we missed this kind of pump, man. Almost 35%. Ah, man, yes, we missed this one. To be honest with you guys, we missed this one. Perfect, 2 trade, perfect. 2 profit actually, but now it's halted down. You know what's gonna happen now? We have to have a support because the profit taken is triggered. Okay, we might have a pullback at least until there. Yeah, the $1.15. Yeah, it's halted now, and this should be our resistance. We got some supports to test. Coding face, great brother. This is how you be professional trader, is knowing when you say enough is enough. Exactly. The more that you trade in a day, you're gonna lose profit. So the idea is preserve your profit and call it the day. So if you got, let's say 10% or 1,000, whatever, like the goal, if you hit it, stop trading. Luis, never leave any trade. Never leave any trade by itself. BMR, we said take profit, okay? We said take profit. WLDS is halted down once again. It's got unhalted, so we need to hold over the $1.15. BMR, as we said, exit once we break the $6.32. So Luis, never keep those trade open without having stop loss, man, or profit taken. So I never put stop loss for those stocks. I always manage them directly because the profit taken would be hit like in few seconds. So why you leave it? How you leave this kind of stock open, man? For swing trade, blue chip company, yeah, when you swing trade, open the trade and forget about it because the stop loss would be really far or the support would be far. But those stocks, never leave them, man. You have to be directly manage them. That's why I will trade them. Like I trade them in few seconds, few minutes. I don't hold overnight. I don't hold even for 1 hour for those trades. Not when you tell me like I left it and it came back. Come on, this is not a swing trade. Day trade, you have to manage it. So yeah, PMR, we exited with this trade. As we said, there's a weakness here. That's why we exited. WLDS is about to break a new level. This one mean business. WLDS, we might have a squeeze for it once again. Oh man, this one might go. WLDS. Yeah, this one might go, guys. This one, it might go really high. I think we're halted once again, guys. Are we halted? Whoa. WLDS is pound. What the tough, man. Remember, guys, to check the man. I'm telling you, there's two WLDS, man. Why? I hate it when this happen, you know. When I try to buy stock, we have two, you know, like one in England, one in America, and they have the same name. I bought the one in England. What a crazy, man. NA got shorted, Nvidia got shorted, GSIT got shorted. You see, it's not good, guys. GSIT is not good. Below the $7.15, not good. Nvidia start to reverse down. NA hit our first profit taking. That's why we exited, and it's not good to enter once again. So I will leave it be now. NA, I will keep it high there. WLDS, I'm watching for this one after getting unhalted. Guys, we might have a unicorn on our hand for this one. We might see the $2 for this one. If we got the $2, would be a great day for us. Otherwise, yes, maybe let me just check how much we can do toward the $2. Another 50. Another 50%. We might see another 50% for this stock. Watch out. BMR. Okay, so this one might have a reversal. As we said, this should be the bottom, the $4.90. Guys, plus the like button and the way in. Don't forget. Plus the like button. WLDS, I'm watching this one. It's still halted down or halted up. How everybody doing? Again, guys, bless the like button on the way up. Brando, where did you lost your 10K that you did yesterday? What kind of trade? Gem, exactly. BMR is a bit violent. BMR is a bit violent. That's why we suggest always to take profit. So we entered here, as we said, around the $6.30, and we exited there with a bit of profit. Then we exited all around here before the flush, because we have this weakness. Okay, we almost lost all the profit that we made, but we exited with just 3%. So sometimes taking 3% is better than holding the trade down, you know? NVDA or Nvidia. I don't know if you pronounce it wrong. Why you trade this one, man? Why? Huge pump. Then the price went down after the pump. It's not good to buy after this huge pump, guys. Watch out, the volume is really light. So even if you trade for this one, you have a huge like slippage for this one, you know, because we don't have enough volume. So almost those kind of trades, when there's no volume enough for this kind of stocks, you'll be willing to lose a lot. So once you entered for those kind of stocks, you'll be losing already. So I don't suggest to enter. WLDS. Okay, we halted up. Now we're going down. What's going on here? What's going on here? What's going on? Okay, another pump. Come on, we don't want to have game over. WLDS. This one is violent, guys. This one's crazy. So for this one, if we kept holding over the $1.15, we might have a unicorn on our hand. This one is the top gainer, I think, for today. Yeah, I think it's the top gainer. Over 200%. And it's still pumping. Look. Let's see another pump. $1.54. Let's see another halt. Still not halted yet. $1.51. We need the $2 for this one. $1.54. 52. Okay, someone's still selling. $58. $59. A new high. Okay, slow. No, man, never call your ex. This is forbidden, man. This is the rule. Never call your ex back, man. Bad idea, brother. WLDS is wild. This stock is wild, man. BMR not good now. We have a new resistance around the $6.32. The same for Nvidia around the 384. WLDS have a bit of struggle. GSIT, ATVK, pom. Yes, we got just WLDS. That might mean business for today if we're still holding. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush. Watch out. We need to hold over the $1.50 or $1.15 if we don't want to have a flush for wild or wearable devices. Pharmaceutical, not pharmaceutical company, but electronic technology sector. Wild or wearable device company. Let's see if we have a price target for this one. Strong buy for the technical. Let's check the website. Wearable device. We have watches. Okay. What? This is crazy. So when you think about something, it starts with a thought. Are you kidding me? This is amazing, man. Look at this. This is the future. Wow. So you wear this watch and you just think about doing something. So you don't touch, you know? You just think. Let's say you think about calling someone and we'll call it for you. This is crazy. So they have smartwatch, they have mobile phone, VR glasses, they have sport analytics, smart home, everything. This is the future, brothers. This is crazy cool, you know? Just from this video. This is really cool, man. Jump. That sounds creepy. Man. Oh man, you know, I think in the future there's no privacy anymore. Even your thought will be sold, you know. Oh man, this is crazy. What's gonna happen in future? I'm really scared. Guys, I'm really scared from the future. All the companies will sell our brain for the high bidder. Okay, WLDS is still holding. Exactly, Jim. This is the direction where we headed, you know, with AI and things like this. And even Elon Musk actually talked about it first, about the chip implantation in your brain. So this is crazy, man. So the internet can be implemented in your brain. You can call anybody, you can go to internet just by your thought, you know. And this is really bad at the same time because there's no privacy. Think about it. Even for you, like you think about buying something, you're gonna be like this idea of you want something. This is really fallible, like information. And at the same time is not good because there's no privacy, man. So everybody will knows what you think. Imagine, not what you say or what you write. For the time being, there's a huge fight for Facebook and the other big company to sell this data. And now guess what? What you think will be sold as well. We'll be slave, guys. We'll be slave. As long as we go in the jungle. To be free from this crazy world that we're gonna be like facing pretty soon. BMR, Nvidia. Okay, now we are on a pullback side, guys. Watch out. Even WLDS is not ready yet. Of course, Jam, you can fight for now. Even for today, you can actually not using Facebook or Instagram. You have the choice, but it's kind of addiction, man. Once you get in, once you taste it, you can't go back. It's really hard. You need discipline, you know? And a lot of people don't have discipline nowadays. So if you have discipline and you have free will, of course, you can do whatever you want. But a lot of people don't have it. So you start with yourself and your family. Try to educate your family to stay away from social media and things like this. Okay, so it's pulling back time now, even for WLDS. Pull back time, brothers, sisters, pull back time. Everything's pulling back. This is always the case. Again, guys, plus the like button and the way in. We almost hit the 100. Let's see, Tesla. Tesla's pulling back hard. But we're still holding the support. This is good. There's a big seller, just in case you didn't know. There's a big seller around this channel. So that's why the prices have a struggle to overcome. AMD looking pretty good to me, looking pretty good with Nvidia. We don't have a huge pullback like Nvidia, we have accumulation instead. So AMD looking pretty nice and is not overextended like Nvidia. So AMD have a huge turnaround, maybe another 34%. We might have a price target for AMD as well, because this is the second or the first competitor behind Nvidia, for my opinion. So AMD looking interesting to buy and hold. We'll see if we have a continuation. Neo to the depth. Yeah, we have a pullback. The best gainer for today in blue chip company is Nvidia, still holding the gain. Not bad at all. Whoa, not bad, man, not bad. Okay, so the idea, guys, know when you finish trading, because today we traded really good. Not bad for today. We traded Nvidia and we already took profit on Nvidia, and we kept small position open, so we don't have to feel FOMO, you know. And we traded the other stock like NA. We entered and we exited quickly for this one. We entered on this breakout, the $2.50, and we exited here around the $2.80 before this sell-off. It was good trade. And the other one we entered for is BMR, of course. We entered here around this breakout zone, and we exited first here, small profit. Then again, after this huge sell-off, we saw weakness, so that's why we exited with small profit around 3%. And price plunged down. Now is have a struggle to break. This is the new resistance around $6.30. So not bad, not bad at all. Kingston IEP. Why you traded this one, guy? Why you traded this one, Kingston? If you don't mind me asking. Let me just check it. Why Kingston trade this one? Man, brother, this one is not good to trade, brother. Not for long or even small position. Not for like day trade or swing trade. This is really not good. Look at the chart, man. Bad earnings, downtrending, huge short open since this May around the 50, now is around the 18. So yeah, doesn't look good. So if you have a huge position, you have to close before a huge continuation down, because it's not looking good. We might have something if we broke the 28, but now is not looking good. Okay, so Nvidia still below the resistance, BMR below the resistance, WLDS still holding the support, the 1.15, and now it's pumping once again. So yeah, now the market is kind of in anticipation mode. We don't have a stock that continue to pump. Nvidia was pumping in pre-market, then went down. BMR was pumping in pre-market, then went down. WLDS, man, this one, we might have a huge action toward the $2, as we said, as long as we hold the $1.15. We'll see if we have this. Sunray, which one you should have like heard about it, so you could actually buy? But which stock you talking about? I think you talking about BMR, yeah? Yeah, I think BMR. Victorious, we're not ignoring anybody. We're just watching a few stocks now. We'll check the requested stock later. before we finish our live streaming. We just have WLDS is about to pump once again, BMR, and Nvidia. So all those stocks I'm watching. Yeah, another whale just added here. So we have two whales. One added when we have a huge selling pressure when the market open, and another added here on another dip. So we have a huge whale actually buying the dip for Nvidia. So this is good actually. This is really good. As we said, we have the price target for Nvidia 500, and we have adjusted price target as well from the 190 toward the 420, I think. So all the analysts changing their point of view or idea about Nvidia price target because we got crazy earnings. You see, the earnings actually, sometimes some stocks never act with the earnings. So for the blue chip company, usually earnings actually have significant value on the price action. But the other small cap, it doesn't matter, you know. The other small cap is what's important is the projection of the future, the idea of the company, what they have, what they should offer, and what's the marketplace that the company actually serve. If it's like Tesla, like the sector's cars, and they targeting solar, energy kind of cars. So you see the target is big, and of course they disrupt the car industry. That's why we have a huge projection of price of Tesla, even though they don't have any revenue. The earnings not that good, but the prices continue to go higher the last 2 years. So this is a good lesson for us to think about the earnings. Sometimes it's good to think about them, and sometimes we have to think about the company objective and where they're going. Yeah, Sunray, of course. How much you find it for Nvidia? How much the price for buying a call? You should have actually bought a put, not call options. Put options will be really good for Nvidia and will be really cheap. Martin. Yeah, I'm gonna put holy water for BMR in order to pump. BBYQ is squeezing, not yet. But the good thing is we're still holding the breakout zone over the 2350. Oh man, this one is about to squeeze. Watch out. WLDS is about to squeeze. We might have a squeeze. We might have a squeeze here. Toward the $2. Come on. Let's have action. Come on, guys. We need action. This is the problem, you know, when they trade, you're gonna have a patience issue, because if you're trading high volatile stocks and then the stock kind of dying or need consolidation, you get kind of frustrated because you're accustomed to action, you know, you're accustomed for high action. It's like someone on cocaine, you know, then you take this guy and put him like in normal kind of boring job, you know. He can't stay still. You see him like touching everything and try to move. The same here, like day trader is kind of hard to have patience, because if you trade those kind of stocks, the good thing is, yeah, you can make money. The bad thing is you could lose money because you force the trade once the stock is sleeping. When the stock is sleeping, let it sleep. Don't try to wake him up. Because if you wake him up, maybe you will fall from the bed and you have a big sell-off. Okay. BMR is about to pump once again. Interesting. Over the $6.30. Let me just check. Again, guys, plus the like button on the way in. Come on, we need 85 likes. We need 85, now 65. Come on, guys, we can do better. Just 65. We can do better. We can do at least 85. Now 65. Come on, we need another 15 people to like our live streaming. Where's the 66 and 67 and 70? Okay, we see we have a huge fight here for Nvidia, a huge fight for another pump. Whoa, WLDS is pumping. Okay, we might have the $2 after all. $1.60. 250 for this one. Okay, $1.63, a new high. WLDS, it might be the top gainer for today, and unicorn, as long as we don't have a flush now. No way. Wow, BMR just reported that their camera can see through thick walls. Oh man, this is crazy. This could actually be used in military. This is really crazy. That's why we have a huge pump now for almost 250, and it's still, the price is still pumping because of this news. If we hit the $2.28 would be a good profit, ultimate profit for my opinion for today. As long as we hold the $1.15 as we said. BMR still have a struggle to break the $6.32. Nvidia as well, 384. We have a flush kind of engulfing candle, not good. Engulfing candle, watch out. Huge flush for WLDS. Engulfing candle, not good. This is not good. Okay, BMR is kind of looking good because we are about to break the $6.32. Forge Financier, what exists in France? Which thing you talking about? Are you kidding me? In Châtelet, you mean there's a camera in Châtelet in Paris that used this camera? Interesting. Okay, let me just check AVRO for my 100, for my friend here. 3% down, not good, brother. Not good for trade for today. Yeah, this one not today because we are still below our resistance, the $1.48. We got support over the $1 over this box. We might go there to test it before a reversal, but not today. Okay, we have breakout alert for BMR. Price is crawling up slowly. Yeah, we have a pattern here. It's about to break. Watch out, guys. We might have a breakout. For Nvidia as well, we might have a breakout. The same pattern. The same pattern we have for both of them. So Nvidia and PMR looking good for a breakout. Looking good for a breakout. This is a massive test now for Nvidia. If we broke this level, we'll be a game on. If we didn't, we're gonna break this flag down. Jordan Friedman. Yeah, the story about the cheetah and the gazelle. Exactly. I think everybody should know this story. This story give us a lot of lessons about life. That's always cheetah always hunt for the weakest gazelle. So if you want to short a stock, just watch a weak stock to short it, not strong one. It's like a cheetah running behind a gazelle. Doesn't or never run over a healthy gazelle because she know that this gazelle will make her hard to catch. So the best way, the smart way, is finding a weakest gazelle, or gazelle have a bit of problem with his leg, will be easy hunt. So this is a good lesson from the jungle. We can actually take it to the market. Nvidia is going down. BMR still holding. WLDS hold it down. Okay, watch out guys, the market is on the downside. On the downside. Look at this, look, we might have a breakout. Guys, if we broke this level, I think it's not good. Yeah, it's not good for Nvidia. We're gonna have a continuation down, and for BMR as well. And we call it the day. You don't have to hunt for now. We'll wait. And we put traps, of course. We have to put traps because the smart hunter and the fisherman, you don't have to swim and go after the fish. You lose energy and it will be hard to catch the fish because the fish is much stronger and better swimmer than humans. So how you catch a fish? Of course, you have to have the equipment to catch the fish. You have to have the bait. You have to have what is called the thing that you catch the fish with. I don't know. In Arabic, it's called sinara. I don't know what's called in English. I forget this word. Anyway, so you have to have the equipment in order to catch the fish. And plus, with that, you have to be patient. You have to sit calmly, patiently, and waiting until the fish catched the bait. So what we learn from the fisherman? We learn that we have to have equipment, which is our laptop, our money inside the broker, and our strategy, everything. And our technique to catch the fish is the same as a strategy to buy around the support or resistant or whatever technique you have. Plus of that, you have to have patience and you have to calmly sitting down and waiting until the fish take the bait. The same here for the stock market. So we can learn from the fisherman. We can learn from the cheetah in the jungle hunting for his prey. So we can learn from wherever. Diversify kind of human or animals, and we can actually take the lessons. The same, guys. It's the same. So as we said, we have to wait now patiently for Nvidia, BMR, and WLDS to go to our bait. Do you agree with me, guys? Guys, come on, let's plus the like button. Come on, let's hunt for likes now. We got 72, we need 90. Come on, nice. We need 90 likes. We have 72. And the reason that we have 72 and not 96, because some of our hunters or members come in our live streaming and forget to likes and forget to put likes. So why we asking about likes? Because many of you are not YouTubers. The idea of asking for likes is simply because the YouTube algorithm need these likes in order to know if our live streaming have value for the viewers or not. And when you like is make it easier for other hunters and traders to find our live streaming, plus make it easier to share our knowledge and share our information about trading. That's why we try to share our knowledge and at the same time help you guys to trade better and never losing money. So this is everybody wants to have in their trading arsenal in order to make profit. So as we said, guys, plus the like button, and as well you can actually share our live streaming to your loved ones or your friends, whatever. It would be really good to share our live streaming, because sharing is caring and sharing is love. Giving is love, man. It's not taking. Giving is kind of love. And love is the answer to solve any problem. Yes, sir. 76 likes. Come on. We didn't have even the 80. Okay. Never mind. BMR. Still struggling. Nvidia still struggling. Thank you, Dutch. It means you are Dutch. Yes, BMR. Exactly, Jam. Yes, Martin, I'm waiting for BMR and Nvidia. ENA is done. Yes, it's not good. Yes, it's not good. ENA is not good, guys. It's done for today. We already took our profit and run with this one, so maybe we might have a power hour, maybe, or a reversal zone over the 1.72, but I don't care to buy here. Okay. Yes, BMR is about to break. BMR is done. BMR is done playing. Look at this. There's a huge move coming up. There's a huge move for both. Aha, Nvidia broke our flag. But it's held now. Whoa, look at this. We held with the wick. Look at this. Boom. I'm telling you, Nvidia, there's a huge whale still buying, guys. This is not normal reaction. I'm telling you. The same with BMR. We have a huge pump and dump, and now is about to break down. Look at this. What a crazy action, guys. What a crazy action. It's great to be alive. What a crazy life we live in right now. Look at this. Nvidia is about to break down, but someone saved Nvidia here. Someone bought big time and saved Nvidia from a huge selling pressure down. I see a huge selling pressure, not selling pressure, but I see like a battlefield happening for Nvidia.
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
You can help me by going to sleep forever.
Is there something else I can help with?
No.
Okay.
Oh man, are you stupid, Siri? Go to sleep. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh brother. Oh man, yes, many. Yeah, Siri is kind of pushing my button, man. Okay, we kind of have the first weakness for Nvidia. BMR. We might have a break. Oh man, Gem, I think I'm gonna like turn off Siri because maybe, yes, maybe they are listening every step on the way and stealing our strategies. So I'm gonna close everything on Siri because I think it's spying on us, man. I think the short sellers and the hedge funds watching us. It's not good, man. We all being watched right now. Nobody are safe except if you go to the jungle and destroy all the electronics. Is either you fight or you be slave. Yes, there's no in between. Yeah, I think there's an in between, but it's really hard choice if you go to the jungle and go like off the grid. But it's really hard. It's not good. The best way is to be a fighter and at the same time to be in knowledge about everything, so you never be fooled. But Jam, if you afraid of social media or someone listening to you, is mean you don't know enough about this, like about this technology. So the best answer is to sleep at night, to have knowledge. The more knowledge you have, the less fear you have because you know how to prevent anybody to listen to you. So the idea here to educate yourself about this new things coming up in technology, so you prevent yourself to be a slave. The only way, man, is knowledge. So it's not, the solution is not go off the grid or not using social media, but use social media to work for you, because I think there's a positive side of everything. There's always a positive side of everything. Anyway, guys, so BMR is pulling back, Nvidia is pulling back. Yes, WLDS is not finished yet, but I don't trade this one because it's kind of risky and really shabby here. Anyway, we have to finish our live streaming. As we said, we're gonna do updates like yesterday about the stock that will pump. So watch out, we're gonna do update here for the swing trade like what we did today for Nvidia, and for the day trade for the other stock that will pump after we finish our live streaming and our pitcher as well. Plus, if you still not one of our hunters, you can join. And you have the Discipline Hunter, the King level, and the Elite level, which both of them give you one-on-one Zoom meeting with me. So, if you have any question, please let me know on trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com, and I'll reply as soon as possible if you have a question about how to join our Hunter channel. Great. Vero, you are welcome. Martinobolo, yes. There is no other way. We should be positive always. I love the honesty, Sunray. Yeah, we all slave. Of course, we are inside society, so this is the only way to be in society, to be slave. Everybody's slave for everything. Like, even if you go in the jungle, you are a slave. Everybody's slave, man. You can't be free. The only way to be free is to die. It's like, it's really hard, man. This is life. It's paradoxical, and there is no perfect life, and there is no perfect country or perfect planet. There's always a downside. We all are, Jim. We all are. We all were slave for Britney Spears. Yeah, WLDS, great trade. Still bumping. Yes, WLDS going toward the $2, guys. This one's going toward the $2. Okay, we have to finish our live streaming. Thank you for watching, guys. Great hunt. See you tomorrow, same day, same hour, 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern Time. See you in the next